Magsisilbing one-stop shop at inaasahan pang makakalikha ng dagdag trabaho ang unang tourist rest area ng Hilagang Luzon. Pinasinayaan niya ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Nakatutok si Gab De Luna ng GMA Regional TV 1 North Central Luzon.
Poway Sand Dunes, Poway Church, Banggi Windmills, at Saud Beach. Ilan lang yan sa mga kilalang pasyalan sa Ilocos Norte, ang home province ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. At para mas maging komportable ang experience ng mga traveler, binuksan ang kauna-unahang tourist rest area sa Northern Luzon na nasa Municipal Beach sa Pagudpud. Pinangunahan yan ng Pangulo, kasama si Tourism Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. Dito, binigyang diin ng Pangulo ang hangarin ng administrasyon na maging tourism powerhouse ng Asia ang bansa.
In Ilocos Norte alone, we received more than 3.5 million same-day visitors in 2023 and around 515,000 domestic and foreign tourists stayed for longer in hotels and in resorts. It shows that we have the attraction, we have the products, and we have the people to make it happen. I am truly proud to call this land my home.
Magsisilbing one-stop shop para sa mga bisitang tourist rest area na may tourist information and assistance desk, charging and workstation, libreng internet connection, kainan at pasalubong center. Malapit lang din dito ang Cabigan Falls, Patapat Viaduct at Blue Lagoon sa Pagudpud.
These TRAs have been established across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, with 10 having been constructed in 2023 until 2024, and with at least 20 more to be constructed upon the directive of our President as high north as Batanes, to as south as Sulu and Tawi-Tawi, west, Eastern Samar, to as east in Eastern Samar, and as far west as Brooks Point in Palawan.
Inaasahan ng DOT na makatutulong din ng tourist rest areas na makapagbigay ng hanap buhay sa local small and medium enterprises. Para sa GMA Integrated News at GMA Regional TV 1 North Central Luzon, Gab De Luna, nakatutok, 24 oras.